Hi friends, let me show you this new rechargeable LED lighted head magnifier that I just received. It has a nice thank you card and of course the user manual or instructions. I am going to need the lenses to read them. Okay, you have all these accessories. First, the cable, you see it? Here you're going to charge it. And, well, you have different lenses, okay, depending on what you want to see. You will put them here, okay, and you have this special soft part for your nose, so you can be working for more time. And you turn it on. It has two strength settings, okay, and you can put it, oh my God, this is great. I can read everything, even the smallest of the letters. Okay, this is just great. I'm amazed. Okay, you get 5 different magnifications. Each lens has different magnifications. You get 5, and okay, when you get used to them, they are really great. I just can't believe how clear I see everything. And you really can have both of your hands free to work. These lenses are just so great. Let me tell you that also you can use them as regular lenses, or you could get this out, okay, and if you prefer, you can use them with this headband, okay? Let me show you. Depends on where are you going to work, or how you like to use these kind of accessories in your head. Maybe you're going to be working down in a car or somewhere where you think or feel that the headband is better, because that will help you so the lenses won't fall off your head. That's great also. Okay, that's great. Well, you can imagine you don't have to buy a battery again, because you can recharge this with the USB-C cable. Your nose is comfortable with this kind of nose accessory, and either with the lens or with the headband, you will have them in your, they won't fall off your head. So I really recommend them. Great.